Level 1, the most basic of gun designs in 3D printing. Basically 2 halves joined together, no functions, nothing. Good display model, good practice model, reference model, whatever you want from it. Level 1, useless. You don't want it. Level 2. This is where you were getting somewhere. See where I used were? Past tense? Yeah, sure it works, kind of, but it doesn't do what it's meant to. I jammed the slide, something happened to the slide that made it broken. It's a stage where you thought you could do it, but couldn't. That being said, Level 3 is where you're getting serious, if you're a kid, that is. That's right, your most basic, play around with rubber band guns. Everyone loves rubber band guns. If you're a child, back in the day, you would have played with rubber band guns. If you're a 3D printer like me and like guns, you probably would have printed a rubber band gun. This one, not that realistic, pretty basic to make, and of course, some power actually, pretty impressive. I had to bring myself quite a bit back for this one. Level 4. Rubber band gun 2. That's right, this time. Safety, working. Everything works like a real gun would. Not really, but as a rubber band gun should. Hold your stuff. Oh, even cooler, you get your moving buttstock, which is very nice. No charging handle, that sucks, but it definitely works like it should. Let me get a demonstration. There we go. Get this here, and oh, safety on, safety off. Definitely has the power required. Good training prop. Pretty difficult to build, if you don't have patience, that is. Level 5. This is where we get serious. That's right. You can clearly see. Oh, this has shells. It doesn't shoot like it actually kind of does. It shell ejects. You can buy this type of stuff online, but this is cheaper if you know your knowledge. 3D printing it, pretty difficult, but then again, very cheap. Works. Shells ejects, blowback, very nice. The miniature version of that actually. Half scale, this is when you decide that either you don't have enough filament or you're just really bored and decide to torture yourself with the difficulty of shrinking everything and remaking it. If this wasn't difficult, this one took me 1 week, I believe. Ironically, this took me only like 2 days, but that was only because I already know very well how to build this stuff. But if you were to start from ground zero, this would be near impossible. Let me show you. As you can probably see, this thing is not a joke when it comes to mechanical knowledge, because as you can see what I'm doing, this can work like its bigger brother. Small and mighty, just like I'm not gonna say it. That's right. Blowback works, shell ejection works, mag, everything works as it should. And now you're probably thinking, well, what could be much more better than that? And that would be this. Same functions, same type of, I don't know, use, I guess, but definitely different, what do you call it, functions. So basically taking back what I said, you see this is a P226. In reality you would have extractor over here, you would have slide stop, whatever, but these are static. This doesn't move. And yeah, as you can see, utilizes a more simple and more effective but less realistic type of shell ejecting thing. Uses this to ram the shell out, and you can't really pull it back when the trigger is locked in. That's which I designed, and I'll give you the files for free. Look how nice I am. Please subscribe. As implied, it works like the other ones, but works using a shell extractor, and it's much more realistic. Jams like a real gun. God damn it. Jams like a real gun as well. And jams. Well, I'll tell you what works. Now to whatever level I was on, this level, whatever it is, this is arguably the most difficult thing you can print, or I can print in my opinion. It's most realistic to a real gun you can get as well, except for the fact that all of these dimensions don't add up to a real gun, so you can't actually assemble a real gun. Not like I have tried. Anyway, this is as realistic as you can get. Yeah, it doesn't like to extract shells. This proves how difficult it is to actually get working. Let's try this again. Oh, there we go. There we go. It works. It works now. It works like the real PPK. No, this is a PP. Not PPK. It's a PP. No, you know what? Just forget I said that. Anyway. Yes, working hammer like a real gun, working safety like a real gun. The safety doesn't stop the hammer, it stops the firing pin, which it does not have a firing pin. Just saying, guys, look at this. This little thing is not a firing pin. It's just a chamber indicator. As you can see, it's broken. There we go. So this is literally unable to fire, even if you tried. Because the designer messed up the dimensions for a real gun as well, and not like I'm gonna design a real gun. Anywho, as you will see once I lift this out, this is the internals, as close as you can get to a real gun anyways. So of course it doesn't fire like a real one, because a real one would this would break. I'm telling you, it's already broken. But yeah, works like a real gun. Definitely looks like one. It's a great what do you call it, training pistol for if you want to learn how to disassemble, or I don't know, how to build guns, or how they work without actually being in the dangerous zone. This is a very good explanatory demonstration model. Also teaches you how to disassemble a real gun as well. So without the hassle of getting shot in the leg,